The penguin. These flightless birds have captivated the imagination of scientists, explorers, and animal lovers alike. But beneath their comical waddle and tuxedo-like appearance lies a story of survival, evolution, and intelligence that defies expectations. Segment 1. Introduction to penguins, species diversity. Penguins belong to the family Spheniscidae and are native to the southern hemisphere. While most people associate them with Antarctica, penguins are found in diverse climates, from the icy coasts of the Antarctic to the tropical islands of the Galapagos. There are 18 recognized species of penguins, each adapted to its environment. The largest of them, the emperor penguin, stands nearly 4 feet tall and weighs up to 90 pounds, while the smallest, the little blue penguin, is barely 13 inches tall and weighs just over 2 pounds. Each species has unique features. The macaroni penguin sports an unruly crest of yellow feathers. The rockhopper penguin uses its strong claws to scale jagged cliffs. The Humboldt penguin lives in the warm coastal deserts of South America. Their diversity showcases the penguin's incredible ability to adapt to drastically different environments. Segment 2. Evolution and adaptation. Penguins evolved over 60 million years ago, soon after the extinction of dinosaurs. Their ancestors could fly, but over time as they adapted to life in the water, their wings transformed into flippers, better suited for swimming than flying. Penguins are now among the most efficient swimmers in the animal kingdom. Using their flippers and streamlined bodies, they fly through water at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, maneuvering with grace that would rival any fish. Despite their inability to fly, penguins have not lost their avian features entirely. They still have feathers, dense and overlapping for waterproofing and insulation, and they lay eggs. A layer of blubber and an advanced heat retention system helps them survive temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Segment 3. Social behavior and communication. Penguins are highly social animals. Most species live in colonies, sometimes numbering in the tens of thousands. In these crowded environments, communication is key. Penguins use a range of vocal calls, body postures, and even eye movements to interact. Each penguin has a unique call, a sort of vocal fingerprint, which helps parents and chicks recognize each other in massive nesting grounds. Courtship rituals are also elaborate and species-specific. The gentoo penguin, for example, presents pebbles to potential mates. If the female accepts the pebble, they become partners. Some penguin species mate for life, showing remarkable loyalty and cooperation. Segment 4. Parental roles and chick rearing. One of the most heartwarming aspects of penguin life is their dedication to raising their young. In the case of the emperor penguin, the female lays a single egg and then immediately returns to the sea to feed. The male stays behind, balancing the egg on his feet under a special flap of skin called a brood pouch, shielding it from the harsh Antarctic cold. He may go without food for up to 2 months, relying solely on his fat reserves. Once the chick hatches, both parents take turns feeding and guarding it, often traveling miles across dangerous terrain for a single meal. Penguin chicks grow quickly and join crushes, group nurseries where they stay warm and safe while their parents forage. Segment 5. Feeding and hunting techniques. Penguins are carnivores, primarily feeding on fish, squid, and krill. Their hunting tactics are remarkably efficient. They can dive to depths of 500 meters, 1,640 feet, hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and use their excellent underwater vision to target fast-moving prey. Some species like the king and emperor penguins rely on deep dives, while others, like the Adelie and chinstrap penguins, perform shorter, rapid dives close to the surface. Their tongues are equipped with backward-facing barbs to grip slippery prey. And despite having no teeth, penguins use strong jaw pressure to break down their food. Segment 6. Unique penguin behaviors. Penguins display a wide range of fascinating behaviors. For instance, during molting season, penguins lose all their feathers at once, a process called a catastrophic molt. During this period, they cannot swim or hunt and must fast on land for up to 3 weeks. This vulnerable time is critical to their survival, as they shed old, worn-out feathers and regrow a fresh, waterproof coat. Another incredible behavior is porpoising, when penguins leap in and out of the water like dolphins. This helps them breathe while maintaining speed and escape predators like leopard seals and orcas. Some penguins also show what's called ecological tool use. For example, Adelie penguins use stones to build nests that protect their eggs from flooding during the spring melt. This indicates not only intelligence but also an ability to manipulate their environment. Segment 7. Threats and conservation. Despite their adaptability, penguins face increasing threats. Climate change is disrupting their food supply, especially krill populations which depend on sea ice. Oil spills, overfishing, and human disturbance have also taken a toll. Species like the African penguin have seen population declines of over 90% in the past century. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway. Marine protected areas, wildlife monitoring, and responsible tourism are helping safeguard penguin habitats. Breeding programs in zoos and wildlife parks also contribute to awareness and genetic diversity. Organizations around the world are working to ensure penguins remain a vital part of our global ecosystem. Segment 8. Fun and unknown facts. Penguins have a special gland above their eyes that removes salt from seawater, allowing them to drink ocean water. Some species, like the Fiordland penguin of New Zealand, are nocturnal, hunting at night and avoiding predators. The emperor penguin holds the record for the deepest and longest dive among birds. Penguins can see in color and have adapted their vision for underwater hunting. When threatened, some penguins use a behavior called ecstatic display, raising their wings, pointing their beak upward, and making loud calls to warn or attract mates. Closing reflection. The penguin's place in the world. Penguins are more than just cute animals waddling across the ice. They are resilient, complex, and deeply connected to the health of our oceans. Their behaviors reveal intelligence, their communities show deep social bonds, and their existence reminds us of the fragility and beauty of life on Earth. As we learn more about these incredible birds, we also learn more about the ecosystems they represent, and how we, too, are part of that delicate balance. Penguins are more than just cute animals waddling across the ice. They are resilient, complex, and deeply connected to the health of our oceans. Their behaviors reveal intelligence, their communities show deep social bonds, and their existence reminds us of the fragility and beauty of life on Earth. As we learn more about these incredible birds, we also learn more about the ecosystems they represent, and how we, too, are part of that delicate balance. Penguins are indicators of ocean health. When penguin populations decline, it often signals greater environmental issues like overfishing, melting ice, or pollution. Protecting them means protecting the larger marine environment that supports countless species, including humans.